The Tanzania-Zambia Railway Authority Managing Director Bruno چھنگانڈو has extended his gratitude for Chinese assistance and the deceased Chinese experts during the construction of the railway in a recent interview with Xinhua.
We are very appreciative to the people that constructed Tazara, to the Chinese that constructed Tazara, and especially to those that gave the ultimate sacrifice, that gave their lives in the construction of this. So every year, we participate together with our Chinese counterparts at the memorial. We always are part of that memorial to remember those that gave their lives during the construction of Tazara.
The Tanzania-Zambia Railway was constructed as a turnkey project between 1970 and 1975 through an interest-free loan from China, with commercial operations starting in July 1976. The 1,860-kilometer-long railway served as a reminder of the long-standing relationship.
Remember that for even just after starting the operations, China has always assisted Tazara. Every 2 or 3 years, we got protocols in order to promote and enhance the operation of Tazara. So far, we have received 15 protocols. So every 2 years, we have been having this. And I believe that going forward, such assistance will continue, especially now with the important role that Tazara will be playing in the movement of goods from DRC and from Zambia. We are expecting a lot of traffic coming out of these two countries in the next 5 to 7 years.